How's it going, guys? So today we're doing something a little bit different. I know you guys don't like Toyota videos too much. Some of you do. But we're going to do a little bit of a different issue on this Toyota Camry. This is a 2007. It's my brother-in-law's. He brought it over, and we're going to put a dash cover on it. These had a problem with the dash. The dash breaks down and gets sticky, I guess, from the sun. And he went and bought this plastic cover that goes over it. It's about 180 bucks. The other option is to take the whole dash out, and well, nobody wants to do that. So we have a Coverlay brand cover here, and they supply you with the glue and even have a little piece that goes over the airbag that you glue in separate. So we're basically gonna get in there. I guess we'll have to clean the dash with something. We'll figure that here in a minute and lay this thing. Okay, so here we are, and I just want to be clear, this dash is not a sponsored item for the video. We are going to do a review on a scanner here that is a sponsored item. We'll do that towards the end here. So I just thought this would be something cool to show you guys. A lot of you guys have these Camrys that you daily drive. So here's the dash. We just have it kind of sitting in here right now, and it's just sitting on top, right? So it's not glued in or anything. It is kind of stuck from that sticky dash though. There it is. So it's sitting here like that. So we're gonna glue it down with the glue, and we'll. Oh yeah, you see how sticky, maybe how sticky that is. It's just gooey. It's like a cheap Chinese-made drill that the plastic, the rubber grips break down on it and get all sticky. Alright, so here's the finished product, and it actually turned out really good. The color matches the top of the door panels perfectly. We got the extra little piece in for the airbag, and it's fit up pretty good. This piece, we got a little weight on top, a few pieces of tape on it holding it down. It all matched up really well, and this is a hell of a lot easier than taking the whole entire dash out of the car. And realistically, you could probably do this in 20 minutes. So, okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and review this scanner real quick. The company's nice enough to send us. Okay, all right, so here's the scanner we got. This is an Ancel, A-N-C-E-L. The link will be in the description below. The company sent me the scanner, and I don't know anything about it yet. We're gonna figure that out here in a second. And here's what it looks like. Come in here, Tim, on a little bit. It's a pretty good size scanner, and this is supposed to do about everything you possibly need to do. Has nice rubber grips on it. I haven't even plugged it in yet, but I did notice a couple things about it. It came with 2 different dongles for OBD2. So you have your cord that hooks to your OBD2 port connectors, and it has 2 of them. I'm not really sure why. It has a regular USB 16, and then it has a 16C from the Citroen. I guess maybe for those cars. And then it has your USB cable to update it, and then on the bottom it has, I guess it almost looks like a charger. I'm not really sure. We'll have to read up on it. And then USB, and at the top it has your serial cable that plugs into that and goes to your dongle. So this is the FX4000, and yeah, we'll figure it out here in just a minute. Okay, so we're just kind of trolling through the menu here, and this thing does do a lot of stuff. Has all your ABS functions, your 4-wheel drive service, your tire pressure monitor. And on the monitor, even though this car doesn't say how many pounds of air is in the tires, it actually will show it on here. So yeah, all the vehicle speed stuff, all the tire inflation pressures, so it'll actually show you the pressure even though it doesn't tell you on the car itself. showing 3.1 bar on all 4 tires, and then 0 for the spare tire. And it does all the ABS reset stuff. That's very important on a scanner, to actually be able to reset ABS and SRS airbag stuff, to be able to live data your ABS sensors, be able to see it when you're driving. If you have one that's having an issue, you can tell what's going on before it even throws the code. So on the ABS, it actually shows this ABS solenoid status, the sensor status, the relay. I mean, it's very in-depth compared to a lot of scanners. This does more than my Altel by a pretty good stretch. And all the electric parking brake service features and reset stuff, just really a lot. All air suspension if you're equipped with that, your front stabilizer, rear stabilizer if you have adjustable suspension, all your lane departure stuff on the newer cars, all the different camera stuff, trailer brake controller, you can adjust all that. I don't know if they'll let us see it since this is obviously doesn't have that now. And you go down to body, and that'll be your SRS, all your airbag stuff, your immobilizer, your AC functions. Not sure if this car has any AC functions or not. AC trouble codes. And everything down to the evaporator or thermistor, and check all that stuff. I'll go and check it and see. Yeah, look at that, that's pretty impressive. So it does, like the Altel I use every day, does a lot of stuff, but this is just kind of next level. And that's why it is a little more expensive. You have to pay a little more to get stuff like that. But overall, I would say it's pretty good. It's not slow by any stretch. And here's the main screen. You know, you could do the settings. It says English and metric. You could do a quick scan for the OBD2. I don't know what flavor it is. We haven't even. There's a lot to this thing. I would say I'm probably going to start using this as my everyday scanner because it just simply does more. And yeah, I have to definitely thank Ancel for sending this one out. And just to recap, this was FX4000 Ancel. And yeah, we'll see. Maybe in the future we'll keep doing stuff with them. And maybe in the future they'll get something in that does BMW coding for us and send that over and we'll check it out. We'll see, you never know. But that's going to be all for today's video, guys. That's all for the dash. The dash turned out pretty good. We're just kind of sitting here waiting for it to dry, make sure it's all stuck down. We got some weight on top of it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.